Hello art beaters! Becky here for artbeats.com and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today we're taking a look at more prestige crystal colors. Last time we went over the prestige colors, I showed you all of the basic colors, and today we're taking a look at some crystal effects. These are effects that are applied to the crystal to enhance the color and make it sparkle that much more. So let's dive into some prestige crystal color effects. Okay, so these are the effects of prestige crystal available. Remember, effects are applied to the crystal color. And we do have this wonderful PDF chart that you can download and print for free that lists all of the beautiful prestige crystal bead colors, effects, and including a little more detail on the shimmer effects and AB effects, but we will get into all of the effects here today. First up is the crystal silver shade effect, and as you can see, it takes that clear crystal color and just adds a little bit of shade, a little bit of shadow for almost like a silvery gray effect. It looks like a sophisticated rain cloud. For each of these, I'm going to compare to just regular crystal as well. So this is the regular crystal color compared to crystal silver shade. As you can see, there's just a little bit more of a shade or shadow to that one. Crystal moonlight is a beautiful effect. It adds kind of an ethereal shimmer to the crystal that does kind of look like moonlight reflecting off a pond, and here it is with regular crystal. You can see it adds just a little bit more of a dazzle. Now we have crystal Aurora boreal, or AB finish or effect, as it's come to be known. It's a really popular finish or effect for crystal beads. It just adds a little bit of iridescence to half of the bead, and as you can see, compared to clear crystal, it just adds a little more rainbow sparkle. AB effects or Aurora boreal are offered in light rose, light cyan, rose, amethyst, iris, violet, light sapphire, aquamarine, sapphire, capri blue, and peridot. I also wanted to compare the AB coating to the AB 2X coating. So this is the AB coating here, and this is the 2X coating. You can see it's just a little bit more of that intense rainbow sparkle. So the AB coating is always applied on half of a bead or pendant, and the AB 2X is applied to the top and bottom of the bead, so it gives a fuller iridescent effect. Another favorite effect is crystal shimmer. This is just a really subtle sparkle and iridescence that's added to the crystal. Here you can compare with regular crystal. So as you can see, it's just a really subtle shimmer that adds just a little bit more. This is a really popular effect for beads and flatbacks that are used in performance, such as dance and theater, because it does shimmer really beautiful under lights and adds just a little bit more to that pretty crystal color. Shimmer effects are available in white opal shimmer, rose water opal shimmer, rose shimmer, light rose shimmer, cyan shimmer, amethyst shimmer, light amethyst shimmer, aquamarine shimmer, black diamond shimmer, and peridot shimmer. Crystal golden shadow is a soft and elegant just hint of gold that's added to the crystal color, and as you can see, it saturates it quite a bit. Crystal metallic sunshine really brightens up and adds a fire to the crystal. This is a great one for summer designs. I just love almost the coppery sparkle that it adds to the crystal. Crystal rose gold adds a wonderful metallic element to the crystal. You can see it's applied to either the bottom or top of the bead. It's a half coating. Again, the 2X coating of that would cover the top and bottom. Crystal antique pink gives it a nice soft vintage blush color, just a shade darker than regular crystal. Crystal Paradise Shine is a wonderful blend of green, purple, and silver sparkle. It's really magical and whimsical, and I love how it shimmers in the light. Crystal vitrill medium is a very rainbow infused color. It's got all kinds of shine and iridescence happening, and it's a little more subtle in the bead, but you can see on a fancy stone like a Rivoli, it's really incredible. Crystal blue shade, again, just a hint of airy blue color. You can see it compared with regular crystal there. Really nice, cool tone. Crystal light chrome is another silvery metallic option. Can be applied to the half of the bead, so you still got some clear happening on the other side, and you can compare that to Crystal Comet Argent Light, which is a little bit of a brighter silver than Crystal Light Chrome. These metallic options, we also have Crystal Silver Night, which is kind of an option in between. It's got a little more of those bright silver flashes mixed with the darker metallic feature. And then finally, we have Jet Hematite, which is a metallic effect applied to the jet black crystal for an even darker metallic option. So these look really great all together. You can use them with other colors as well. So that is a nice overview of the beads effects that you can find in the Prestige Crystal line. Remember, this is a line of high quality Austrian crystal, so it sparkles and shines in the best way. And don't forget to head to our blog and download that crystal beads color chart. And we also have color charts for flatbacks and for pearl colors as well. So don't miss this color chart, free and available to you now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you were inspired by all of the beautiful crystal effects on display in this video. Please make sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know your favorite crystal color and effect in the comments and what you'd like to see next. We always love hearing your suggestions, so make sure to leave those likes and those comments. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you're the first to know when videos like this are out. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.